What's up, YouTube? Tim here, everything's sharp. Got a knife unboxing for you guys today. Hope everybody's doing great. I hope everybody's weekend's going okay. Let me cut this plastic right here real quick. We'll get in here and unbox this knife. Alright. Pretty excited about this one. Reeve knives. Crucible CPM. We got the large and cozy with the inlay and Singo natural canvas micarta glass blasted CPM magna cut with titanium handles. This will be the second Reeve knife I own. Paperwork. You get the card. This knife was born on January 16, 2024. The Magna Cut 63 to 6R4 RC. Micarta inlay. Here's your parts card. If you want to take the knife apart, it'll show you how to step by step take it apart. How's everybody's weekend going? Reeve sticker. It's just to register your knife if you want to register it with them. And I guess this is the awards they got for the knives. Let's see. The Knife Collaboration of the Year. The Green Beret Yarborough in 2003. 2005 they got Collector Knife of the Year. 2007 they got American Made Knife of the Year. In 2008 they got the Overall Knife of the Year, the Umenzon. 2009 they got the Kitchen Knife of the Year. 2018 they got the American Made Knife of the Year, the Empanada. And 2001 to 2019 they got the Manufacturing Quality Award. Finally getting over this head cold this weekend. Alright, so with this you get a couple tools. Looks like some lube, grease. Get some grease and lube, couple Allen wrenches there. Let's get into the knife. Large cleaning cloth. Reeve knives cleaning cloth, pretty nice. You didn't come look at no cleaning cloth though. Look at this bad boy. Micarta inlays. A very nice micarta. Little lanyard on the back. Titanium. Pocket clip is, you can't switch it for a lefty. Look at that blade. Hollow ground. Ergos feel really good. Crown, spine. See if I can get a flick. Nope. Let's see. These break in, you more likely got to slow roll them till they break in. That lanyard's right. There we go. But yeah, it's a pretty knife. Deep hollow grind on this knife. Once again, good for utility cuts at points down, not up in the air. You don't got to raise your wrist that much. The ergos feel awesome on this knife. She's tight from the factory. There we go. She pops out there. All right, let's do some size comparisons. I'm super excited about that knife. Benchmade bug out. So she's bigger than the Benchmade bug out. Spyderco Para 2. in the Digi Cami, black DLC. The Spyderco lengthwise, that and the reeve is about the same. See a cutting edge on this bad guy. It's like about 3.25. Spyderco's right at 3, so you got more cutting edge on the Chris Reeve. Man, I can't get over. That is a pretty knife. Idaho made. It does have jimping back here. This jimping is excellent. This is a pretty knife. This knife runs on phosphor bronze washers. It's already breaking in a little bit. A little bit of wrist, you can pop it out there. Plunge grind here is excellent. You got a lot of sharpening on this knife. A lot of sharpening. Alright, let's compare thickness. It's titanium chamfered on the edges too. It's about 1 scale thicker than the than the bug out. The paramilitary 2, it's just a tad bit thicker than the paramilitary 2. Let's weigh it. I'm glad to see they got away from the S45E and went with that Magna cut. And I'm glad to see them running at 63 to 64. On the weight, we got 4.7. Alright, let's bring out the other Chris Reeve knife I got. This is Americanized Tonto. It's just a plain titanium, blue accents. This has a deep hollow too. With a Tonto, you use that Tonto or the edge. Both these knives are very ergos are very good on them. Let me know which one you guys like in the comments. I think this one will see a lot more pocket time. Like I said, it's like a drop point Wharncliffe, I guess. It is a very pretty knife. I like the lanyard on it. Ergos are fantastic. That's one thing that's mind-blowing. The ergos are good. This both have a crown spine. Both these are excellent, nice. But yeah, my first impressions of the Chris Reeve, the newer model, Magna cut. This one has S45 blades, S45N blade steel. They both run on phosphor bronze washers. If you hadn't already, hit that like and subscribe button. It'll help me out. And have a good weekend. Stay sharp.